In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA and MA crossover strategy in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the crossover strategy added to your chart, customized to your liking, and ready to use in your own technical analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open for the market or pair you want to analyze. This can be any asset you like, but it helps to start with something you're familiar with so that the signals make sense as you look at them. On your chart, go up to the top of the screen and find the indicators button. It usually sits above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens the indicators and strategies window, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools live, including strategies like the EMA and MA crossover we're going to use. In the indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Type in EMA and MA crossover strategy. As you type, TradingView will filter the results. You should see a strategy with that name appear in the drop-down list under the built-in strategies section. Once you see EMA and MA crossover strategy in the list, click on it one time. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice a few things change right away. The chart will likely show buy and sell markers, and a strategy tester panel may appear at the bottom, showing backtest results based on the default settings. Now that the strategy is on your chart, let's fine-tune it. Move your mouse over the name of the strategy at the top of your chart, then click on the little settings icon next to it. This opens the settings window for the strategy. Here you can adjust inputs like the length of the moving averages, which ones are exponential and which are simple, and any other parameters the script allows. Take a moment to set values that match your trading style and time frame. For example, you might choose shorter EMAs for scalping or intraday trading, and longer ones for swing trading. After adjusting the settings, click OK to apply the changes, and watch how the signals update on your chart. If you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features, like more indicators per chart and more advanced tools, check out the sign up link in the video description. Use that link to create or upgrade your account, then follow these same steps to add and customize the EMA and MA crossover strategy inside your Pro workspace.